Welcome back, Pioneers. Today we're going to be talking about how to make your sentences better using a place. In the last video of this mini-series, we talked about who you were doing your things with. I saw a movie by myself. But now we're going to make that even better by adding the location of where you saw the movie. Remember, make it better, if you haven't seen the other videos, is about using a simple sentence and then expanding it, adding onto it different parts of the English language. To do this, think about every location that is possible. You may think of places such as banks, your home, schools, libraries, movie theaters. But you can also be a little bit more specific, and you could describe places such as in a book, in a game, on TV, in a computer.
Did you find the files?
I don't even know what they look. What do they look like?
They're in the computer.
They're in the computer?
There's also transportation. You can be on the bus, in a taxi. When it comes to transportation, my rule of thumb, which isn't exactly 100% either, is that if you can stand on the vehicle, then you are on that vehicle. So you're on the subway, on the bus, on the train, on the plane. But if you are sitting and can only sit, therefore you are in that vehicle. So that means you are in a car, in a taxi. Now, there are some exceptions, and I don't want to go through all of them here today, but you would usually say I'm in a boat, not on a boat, because standing on the boat would be a bad idea.
I'm on a boat! I'm on a boat! Everybody look at me, 'cause I'm sailing on a boat!
The same can apply with a plane. Usually, when we talk about being on the plane, we're describing an action that we're doing. Usually the verbs that we describe being in the plane are more status linked, such as I'm in the plane about to take off. Usually when it comes to planes, you can say both in and on. I believe it's more of a regional difference, so there's really not a perfect yes or no when it comes to using those two prepositions. But when we talk about the place, we can now add that to where we want to say we went or did or were. So, I saw a movie is our basic sentence. Now we can expand it with by myself at home. And now we know exactly what you did, where you saw it, and who you saw it with. Well, this sums up the video as to where you can say you did things or expand on the location of your sentence building. If you enjoyed the video, click that thumbs up button, click the subscribe button, and click that comment button so that I can hear your thoughts and suggestions about this video, the series, and more. If you want to see the rest of the series, I've created a little card up above so then you can see the playlist and learn more about MIB. But that is it for now. So until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.